See this problem. A 44 millihenry inductor is connected to 220 volts 50 Hz AC supply. Determine the RMS value of the current in the circuit. Our motive is, so there is a circuit which is having some inductor like this with inductance L and connected to a AC source of configuration VRMS and F. We need to find out the current which is flowing in the circuit, and that current is RMS current. That is our motive. Now come to the investigation part. L is given. L is equal to 44 millihenry, that is equal to 44 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry, and VRMS is equal to 220 volts and frequency F is equal to 50 Hz. We need to find out IRMS. Now come to the resolving part. From Ohm's law, so VRMS is equal to IRMS into resistance, but here due to this inductor we will get impedance that can be represented as XL. So XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. So here F we know, L we know, pi value also we know, and VRMS value also we know. So we need to find out IRMS. So IRMS is equal to VRMS value divided by 2 pi F into L, that is equal to VRMS value is 220 volts divided by 2 into 22 by 7 into 50 into 44 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So 22 tens and 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 10 here 10 to the power of minus 3. So we will get 10 to the power of minus 2 here. So when it goes up, it will become 100, and 7 also goes to the numerator. So you will get 700 divided by 44. So which is nearly 15.91 amperes.